Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we got our hands on the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. And let me tell you, the hype is real. In this video, we're going to give you a hands-on look at this incredible device and dive into some of its mind-blowing features, especially the Galaxy AI that's taking smartphone technology to the next level. Let's dive in. First impressions, wow, the design is sleek and premium, just what you'd expect from Samsung's Ultra series. The display is absolutely stunning with vibrant colors and crisp details. But what really sets this phone apart is the Galaxy AI. The Galaxy AI on the S24 Ultra is crazy. It's like having a personal assistant built right into your phone. Let me show you some of the coolest features. Check out the camera. With Galaxy AI, it's like having a professional photographer in your pocket. The AI Scene Optimizer automatically detects the subject and adjusts the settings for the perfect shot, whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or food photos. And get this, you can control your phone with your voice using Bixby AI. It's not just about setting reminders or sending texts. Bixby can open apps, adjust settings, and even answer your questions. It's like having a conversation with your phone, but wait, there's more. The Galaxy AI also optimizes performance based on your usage patterns. It learns how you use your phone and adjusts the settings to ensure smooth and efficient performance, whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a game changer, thanks to its groundbreaking Galaxy AI features. From the camera to performance optimization, this phone takes user experience to a whole new level. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this one. That's it for our hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. What do you think of the Galaxy AI? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.